Hello guys, this is Somil here. Again I'm going to show you one trick. It's a cool trick known as the 4 ace assembly. I hope you like it. Here is a performance. And for tutorial of this trick which I'm doing, you need to comment on my video so that I know that you want a tutorial. So I'm shuffling the deck thoroughly. Shuffling the deck over here. I'm taking the first place, the ace of hearts. Okay. And I'm taking the second ace, the ace of spades. Then the ace of diamonds. And then the ace of clubs. I tap it again, put it on top. Then I make 4 piles. One, first ace, the second ace, the third ace, and the fourth ace. Then I put 3 cards on top of each. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I have not done any card manipulation. So for that, I reveal this card. So this must be the ace. Yeah, it is. So all 4 cards must contain one ace. Now look, I will pick up the ace and put it on this pile. I will not pick up it actually, but I will pick up it magically. Now watch. I picked up the 3 aces from these piles and kept it over here. If you don't believe it, then you can take a look. No ace, no ace, no ace, and no ace. Hope you, these are the 4 aces. Hope you like this trick.